I've heard them lilting at Oriel milking. Lasses are lilting before the dawn o' day. Now there's a morning on ilka green loaning. The flowers o' the forest are a weed away. There'll be nae mair lilting at Oriel milking. Women and bairnies are headless and wae, sighing and moaning on ilka green loaning. The flowers o' the forest are a weed away. This famous lament commemorates the Battle of Flodden in 1513, when James IV of Scotland was killed with 10,000 men, many of the Scottish nobles, and most of the lowlands of Scotland were affected. It's thought that every farm and every household had suffered some sort of loss. The words were written by a lady, Jean Elliott, in the 18th century, and she was referencing the Battle of Flodden. The forest in question is the forest at Selkirk beside Peeblesshire and in Clydesdale, and the archers of Ettrick became known as the Fleurs of the Forest after the Battle of Falkirk in 1298. So this song really has tragedy laden upon tragedy. It's also used as a memorial for Commonwealth soldiers being repatriated, and is well known as a lament by pipers who reserve this song for the most solemn of occasions at funerals and also on Remembrance Sunday.